Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to update YouTube app on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on App Store. Okay, then back, click on search bar, then search on YouTube. Okay, then click YouTube app. Okay, then click on update. Just loading, just wait a few minutes. Okay, then done, then open app. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.